Hello guys. So today it's a completely different video from what have been doing in the last weeks. Uh, Today I'm showing you Bleap. I One day I thought, well, I'm a little bit tired of this exchanges, big exchanges cards. Sometimes you have to stake their own coin, like for example crypto.com, that.com. I mean, and I'm not saying that they are bad cards. I'm just saying that I try to find different options, and I found Bleap, and I'm showing you guys this, and I add my invitation link in the description uh, to invite you guys to this and to help this channel as well. And why Bleap is so interesting? Because it's an app that connects to your self-custody wallet. It's not in a big exchange. It works at the moment just in the UK and Europe. So sorry if you are watching this video outside these jurisdictions. You have to wait a little more or find other options. There are other options, by the way. But what I found Bleap more interesting is that the fees are very low. They offer cashback up to 20%, not in everything, of course, but it's a very interesting and very new company, which offers very good conditions. I have here a comparison between 4 cards that have self-custody, that use self-custody wallets for payments, and of course all need know your client, because yeah, it's if you have a cards with Visa and Mastercard to work, they need to know your client. But the good thing here is that you are in control of your wallet, you are in control of your coins, of your money. And just a quick comparison of 3 more cards that are also interesting in the market. So Bleap is the first one. If you see here, yeah, it's only for Europe and UK, though, and self-custody, of course. The only advantage here, for example, I see for MetaMask is that it's multi-region as Ether Cash. They are both work in outside Europe and UK. So if you are outside, MetaMask could be a good option as well. And in fees, annual costs, they cost none. And here is where Gnosis Pay and Ether they fall, because they have annual costs. Here, 33 for Gnosis, $40 for Ether, which makes, in my opinion, the first two the most interesting. The only difference is that yeah, MetaMask is more international. If you travel a lot in globe-wide, MetaMask could be more interesting for you. Bleap is more interesting in the way that if you want to withdraw ATM fees, it's 0 compared to MetaMask. It's 0. Their cashback can go to 20% in selected purchases, and yeah, and MetaMask is just 3. But even in realistic earn rates, if you see here, the comparison is still higher than MetaMask, and they give you the rewards in USDC. I mean, MetaMask is also attractive because they give in their own stablecoin, MetaMask USDC, and yeah, for example, Noxus, they have their reward currency, their own reward sorry, currency. But yeah, and then yeah, it's that. I mean, I found it very interesting. It's a very simple app. They are still new, they are growing, but I think it will be promising in the future. So I'm sharing this comparison here. See for yourself. For if you want a card with self-custody wallet, this is a good option. So that's all for now. Bye bye.